the pillars of your business is leveraging tech for engaging communications.
I'm the first one to look at something and say there's got to be a tool to. I mean, there's a wonderful website which is there's an AI for that, so yeah, I'm the first person to say there's. How do we not use tech for the sake of it, but look at the process from a human angle and say, how do I cut out the time needed on certain things, and then allow me to spend more time in the human parts of it? So somebody said to me, Brendan, you don't have to do any of this emailing part. You just talk to people all day long. I'm like, well, great. That's exactly where I'm the most human, is if I'm just having phone calls all day long with people and helping them out. So if you can get all the way down to that, that's to me effectively leveraging tech.
Amazing. I love that. You'll notice that I pressed my ding ding button.
Yep. What is the ding ding?
It's a light bulb moment. Or a tip and trick that is useful for our audience. And the tip and trick that I thought was useful was that there's an AI website for that.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
Yeah. So, I mean, AI is growing at a rate of knots in terms of both the tools within themselves and how much they're learning, and how much they're capable of doing. But also, people if people don't realize, you can't sort of just blanketly say AI, or you just can't blanketly say ChatGPT is going to be my best solution for everything. It's not. Like, people are doing a great job building their own AI-driven software that are targeting certain problems. So, my recommendation is there is a website out there, and it actually tells you how many tools are available, and it's keeping track of all these tools as best it can. But find a specific AI tool to solve your specific problem. And if you don't know your specific problem, that's where strategy comes in. Figure that out first.
Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite? Who is your favorite client?
Who is my favorite client? We're obviously not naming names, but in terms of a type, I really enjoy working with, I guess, what I would loosely determine as professional services. It's generally a client who their work involves a lot of expertise. So lawyers, accountants are examples, even exactly your type of business, where things can be very technical and people have so much knowledge in what they do day to day, but they struggle to then break that down and present that to their customers, or how do they make it relatable? So that is a great customer for me, because my job is I joke about it and say, look, I'm meant to be the dumb customer here. Like, I'm the one who's going to sit in front of you and say, I don't understand what you're saying. So I'm that bridge. As a marketer, I think my job is to build that bridge and say, you've got lots of useful information in your head. I need to pull that out of your head, and then digest it, make it really understandable, but also then relate it back to not what you know, but relate it to how does it help the customer? Because those are two push and pull things a lot of the time. Most businesses will talk about what they do well as opposed to how they help a client.
Yeah, interesting, isn't it? Yeah, because I guess service-based industries are. That's what it is. It's your service.
It is. It's your knowledge.
How can I be of service to you, and how can I be helping you with what saves you time and money?